Here goes Donald. Here we go. Set. Jordan. Go. Alright, here we go. Donald. Go. Set. Go. I don't catch. Good. Let's go Daisy. Duck. Yeah, you're releasing. Duck. You're pulling. Here we go. Set. Go. Oh, good throw. Go.
Slider versus Desert Inn, guys.
Everybody else on the 35. You guys got to prove a point every.
Still undefeated. We're going for that perfect season. Slider.
Go, get a line over there.
The Hogs, bro.
Starting on.
Drip, bro. Drip. Francisco. T-Birds, bro. Number 5. Captains for the game. Number 3. Number 75 and 11. Slider. 12, bro.
Alright, ready.
You gonna empty the mag like the TikTok.
Go. Appreciate you, man. Alright, gentlemen. Good evening. Got scared there.
And the opponents, Desert Wind. The Colts.
Did you count me? Did you count 3? 1, 2, 3. Go. Kick your turn.
Keep your turn.
Bring it first, buddy.
Desert Wind Slider.
Let's go. First team up.
Alright, guys, first team out.
Hit it, go.
First run. Number 7, looking like a prime Vic.
Coach, Bravo or bomber? Bomber. Make a tackle. Here we go.
Safety.
That's good. That's it.
I might have to bleep that out though.
Ivan, come in. Eddie out. Ball. Ivan. Get one.
Francisco, your son, bro. Light.
That should be Storm. Take it. Good.
Go, starting offense, let's go! Starting offense, let's go!
What are the odds he actually got tackled behind that post?
sucks.
Better, we're just better. We're just better. Score.
Guys, the climb ball game. Shout out to Slider. This is really light. We're not gonna really celebrate or flex this one. Shout out to parents, shout out to coaches. Till next time.